friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw Peppa Pig and our little brother George together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw an oval for the nose and 2 circles inside it for the nostrils. Draw the outline of the head, first a curved line below the oval, a curved line above the oval, a semicircle and a curved line. Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw a circle for the cheek. Trace the mouth with 2 curved lines. Draw the ears with 2 lines in an inverted U shape. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Now draw the dress with a curved line, a horizontal line, and another curved line. Draw the first arm with a diagonal line, 3 inverted U-shaped line, and another diagonal line. Now draw the second arm. Draw the first leg with 2 vertical lines and an oval for the foot. Then draw the second leg. Now draw the tail like I do. Wow! Our friend Peppa Pig turned out great! Now let's draw George. Draw the oval for the nose and 2 circles for the nostrils inside it. Trace the outline of the head with a curved line, a semicircle, a curved line, and another curved line. Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw a circle for the cheek. Draw a curved line for the mouth. Draw 2 lines in an inverted U shape for the ears. Draw each arm with 2 diagonal lines and 3 lines in an inverted U shape. Draw the first leg with 2 vertical lines and the foot with an oval. Draw a semicircle for the body. Then draw the second leg and tail. Follow me as I do this. Our drawing turned out really well. Well done! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyes, mouth and shoes. light pink for each character's face, arms, legs, and tail. Use a darker pink for the cheek circles and nostrils. Use red for Peppa Pig's dress. And use blue for George's dress. Excellent! Our friends turned out great and are ready to play with you. Good job! Goodbye, friends! See you soon!